Rise and grind, back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2015 Volvo S60 T5 model, and we're doing this bad boy here. It's a coolant bypass hose. This is the bottom. It's bolted down to the block, and this is the top, and this is where it's leaking at. These plastic little fittings, they don't last long, but you know how they do. This is the location. My client got it taped up with some flex tape, and you see it's routed down here behind the intake manifold and all of that, man. So we're gonna have to take that off. That's procedure. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion. I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Okay, we're gonna dive right into it. I already started with these 10 mil bolts here. Go ahead and take them out. That's holding in the manifold. That one right there, and that one there. Let's see if we can get back. Not too bad. We just need to remove all of these harness connectors that's connected to it, so we can pull it back further. So this is what I got done so far. Took these connectors off here. It's an 8 mil bolt right here. Took that out so I can remove that from there. I wanted to take this off, but I couldn't figure out how. So I went here. It's a screw that holds this here, a T25. Already got that out. And you take a flathead, get you a screwdriver, pry that back, pull that. And I did remove those from there. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. And that one is down there, so I'm gonna try to work around it with this manifold. So I took my flathead, got in between there like that, and just both sides pried it off. See, that's loose. The throttle body, the connector, that need to come out. So we just gotta maneuver it out. I do want to get it all the way out so I can see. There's some connectors back here I might try to get out. Alright, so I got it to this point right here. Not too bad. I can't see what's going on. I did take out this before I got it to this point. Took out that connector there. See, the knock sensor. Now this connector here I want to get out, but I can't tell how to get it, so I'm gonna leave it there for now. Try to work with it. Now you can see down here we got that Torx bolt, and we drop low. Can't even see where it go. Oh yeah, I did take these out, pop these out of those slots right there, so I can get a little bit more play. Watch all of these, because these motherfuckers will break. Might be able to get it past. Alright, we got that mother past that point. I just bent that hose back so I can move it to the right. Alright, we got access. Let's see. That's the line right there. Get that bolt out. Let's see what we can do. Alright, that was a T30. Now if you look at the new connector, you gotta press it in and pull. Alright, so we're at this point, man, and unfortunately, man, they want you to take off this little water pump or coolant pump. This thing carries coolant down. It's a whole weird setup, man, all of that. So we got to take these bolts out, two up top and I believe one at the bottom. Right there. That's how I went in with that one, long extension. Got a little swivel on there with a deep socket 10 mil. Now this is the part where it's a seal that is right in here, and you need to replace it when we yank this off, because in order to get this out, it gotta come disconnect from here, and we can pull it back, because right now that's what we got. Alright, we pop that off, use both hands, wiggle it off. That's that gasket, that seal right there you need to replace. And now we can get the whole unit. I just gotta get the bottom now. So now I'm trying to find a way to get down here to that guy right there. It's the same connection. Gotta do the same thing. I'm gonna try to stick my hand down there. I know it's gonna be a bitch trying to get it, but and I got that bitch. Yes, sir. Went down there with my left hand, put my right hand on this. I was able to get that, push that tab in. I felt the click, pulled up, yanked it, it came on up. Whew, and it's a bitch coming out. I got it coming up under this hose, this radiator hose, and up through here. I'll get it up. There it is. Another going in with another plastic one, unfortunately. Going back in the same way. Behind that, under there. Alright, so we got that in. Already got it on the pipe, not locked in just yet. And we back here. I'm gonna go ahead and hook that in up. Alright, we in there. Just gotta put that bolt in. I had to reposition the hose, take it back out, put it behind this wire. It was in front of it. Got our new seal, new gasket, O-ring. Alright, so we in. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back together. And we back in there, man. Make sure you be careful with these hoses. All these little coolant hoses are fragile. They have coolant flowing through it, so they get brittle. And that's gonna be it.
Got the key. Come under the.
Alright, this is the right coolant type. It's not green. VOLVO. This is a 2015. All right, I filled it up. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. Turn the heat on full blast. No leaks. All right, when that drops down, add more. You can drive it around and make sure that heat is working. If it's not, then you still got air pockets in the system.